Welcome back to Showtime with Arty Loon. We got another fun lesson for you guys today. Stick around for Arty's Magic Corner.
Today's lesson comes from the streets, a classic game that isn't just a game.
Howdy folks, it's your friend Arty Loon here with another Arty's Magic Corner. Today's lesson is a bit of a game. See if you guys want to play for a little money? No money, but we'll play anyway. Check it out, 3 little shells, and of course inside the shell is that little white pea. Now your job is to guess what that little pea is. I cover it up like this, give it a little shake like this. Where's the pea? Ooh, it's in that one. You guys are good. Here, we'll do it again. If I just give a little mix up like this one more time. Where's the pea? On that one? You guys are really good. You sure you don't want to play for money? We'll do it one last time. Here we go. This time, watch the pea. Here we go. Ready? If I do it like this, where is it? In this one? You're close. Let's actually check it out in that one. What? Never play with a magician.
Want to know how to cheat the cheater? Well, stick around for the lesson.
All right, friend, here's the secret to the trick. These are actually designed to fool you. This is how it works. Underneath is a little bit of a slit. What happens is when I push that little pea out, when I move these, the pea actually pops out in the back. My fingers hold on to the pea between the thumb and that middle finger. When I move them around like this, I easily just hold on to the pea, hide my hand with my other hand, and then when they say, where is it? Whatever shell they don't name, I'm going to hide it underneath. So what happens is my hands go right up to that little shell. I drop the pea, lift the shells up to show that the pea is not where they said. Pretty neat, right? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that lesson for today. Remember, never play for money, guys. I'm trusting you out there. My name's Arty Loon. We'll see you guys again here on Arty's Magic Corner. But if you guys like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell and let us know what you thought. If you'd like to see me do a special kind of trick that you might think might be cool, let us know in the comments. We'll see you guys again. Bye.